we have rebuilt our entire commercial portfolio from the ground up.
And this is what that looks like. Thinner and lighter laptops that don't compromise on performance.
Dell Pro 5, I like to refer to it as the workhorse, but it doesn't look like a workhorse anymore.
Mobile workstations powerful enough for inference on the go.
If you look at something like our Dell Pro Max Plus with the AI 100 card, now you've brought high accuracy, high speed inferencing to a mobile device.
Plus, towers and systems that Dell says bring the AI lab to your desktop.
It's a whole nother leap of workstation capability.
They're all part of the new Dell Pro lineup, PCs built for the modern workplace, where AI is no longer tied to the cloud.
We're about to enter or open the door, if you will, of seeing AI really excel out on the edge.
What if more of that work could move off the data center and onto a device like this? That's the future Dell says it's building towards with its new Dell Pro lineup. We headed inside Dell's Client Solutions Interactive Lab in Texas to learn more. Inside the lab, Dell's strategy is clear: match the machine to the job. It starts with the Dell Pro, the mainstream business laptop. This year, Dell is bringing more of its premium design and features down into what was once considered its more entry-level tier. That's the Dell Pro 3.
But this is fully enterprise grade. It's sleeker than ever. You're looking for that sort of minimum spec of kind of features and functionality in an enterprise environment. This does a really great job of delivering that.
From there, the lineup moves up to the Dell Pro 5, said to be the most scalable part of the portfolio.
A lot of CPU options, memory, mobile broadband if you want it.
To the Dell Pro 7.
This is our thinnest Dell Pro device ever. And what we're really focused on here is mobility, so great battery life.
And finally, the Dell Pro Premium for the Road Warrior class of users.
They really care about runtime. They care about weight of the device in their bag. So this is the lightest Dell Pro product in the portfolio.
Now let's turn to the workstations. The Dell Pro Precision is built for creators, designers, engineers, and increasingly AI developers.
So if you think about our entry mobile workstations, it's a really great inferencing platform, especially as you think about 12xe coming into the portfolio, where now you have integrated memory. Like again, the challenge with AI is really memory capacity, because that's what defines the size of the model you can go load.
This is a look at the new set of mobile workstations within that category.
So this is the 5S. This is one we talked about of really being able to take advantage of that integrated graphics. You can start to see the form factor. And so you can see how much thinner the device is. This is where you're going to find the discrete graphic options. So in the 14-inch, you can get up to a 500 class Blackwell. In the 16-inch, you can get up to a 2000 class Blackwell. So once you get into the 7 series, again, we talked about scalability, and so as you go up in numbers, you're getting performance and scalability. So the 5S, for example, will top out at 39 watts. It's really the amount of power that you're providing to the CPU and the GPU. This one on the 16-inch goes to 100 watts.
Next up, Dell's new Pro Precision Towers, a lineup built for users who need serious desk-side performance. This year, Dell is adding a lower cost option to the lineup and more flexibility into the stack.
What we've done is intentionally pull cost out of that platform where customers don't see the value or don't need the value. So a great example of that is vast majority of customers that are buying a Xeon class processor have less than 1 terabyte of memory. And so what we've done is, rather than forcing that system to have the additional motherboard layers, the additional complexity to support up to the 2 terabytes, we've cut it back.
But the most interesting part of the story may be what comes next. For developers working on the latest models, testing agents, or fine-tuning AI locally, Dell is now pushing systems like the Dell Pro Max with GB10 and GB300.
You have data scientists in your organization that are working on the next model. New models are coming out monthly. Now you can offload that work from the data center, and now you can allow those data scientists to iterate constantly and go find the next best thing, and then you go push it out to the data center when it's ready.
Now that may be the bigger takeaway. AI is quickly becoming part of every workflow, but not every workflow looks the same. For some users, it's built into the everyday PC. For others, it means local inference, simulation, or model development at the desk. And that's what Dell's new Pro lineup is really built around. A range of devices designed for how enterprises, developers, and creators will actually use AI. Because as AI becomes more common, the real challenge is not just putting it everywhere, it's matching the machine to the job. Now you're connected. I'm Diana Blass.